Simplicity meets majesty. With just 2 colorants and a few effortless steps, you can create radiant flowers that bloom with the pure resin magic. Let me show you how easy and enchanting it truly is. Hello again, welcome back to LisinCult, where simple pours turn into breathtaking designs. Today we are creating an easy effect, simple enough even for the new resin artists. To make this majestic design, we are only using 2 colorants. And the best part, all the links you will need from resin prep to colorants guides, plus a free PDF of this tutorial are waiting for you in the description box. So relax and enjoy the process. Let's get started. For this experiment, we are using a medium viscosity resin with 2:1 mixing ratio. I will be working with 2 flower-shaped molds, one small one and one medium size. And for both molds, we will need about 267 grams of resin mixture. If you would like to know about the full calculation for each mold, don't worry. The full step-by-step calculation is in the free PDF guide in the description box. Now let's step into the world of colorants. We are using just 2 colorants, a silver paste or gold if you prefer, and pigmented ink. And I will be using blue ink for the small mold and the red one for the medium one. And of course, for the extra sparkle in the center, a touch of silver foil plus a bit of holographic glitter in the main resin. Just remember, when making your colorant mixes, don't add too much pigment. Keep them light so they stay balanced with the resin. Okay, let's make the colorants together. Alright, colorants are set. Now let me show you how this simple technique works step by step. The technique, it's so easy. Start by pouring a very thin line of silver paste all around the edge of the mold. Then add the pigmented ink right beside that silver line. That contrast creates a soft bloom that flows toward the center. Next, fill the rest of the mold with a clear resin, and finally place a bit of silver foil in the center to pull everything together with the sparkling finish. Let's do it together. And that's it. Just a few easy steps for a result that looks elegant and luxurious. A perfect beginner-friendly project with the real wow factor. Don't torch right after pouring. Let the resin move naturally first. Once it slows, give it a gentle torch to warm it up, help it flow and pop those pesky bubbles. Then cover it and let it cure. Stick around for a big reveal, where I will also share key takeaways so you can master this effect yourself. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss more resin tips and stunning effects right here at the LisinCult Resin Lab. See you then! Hello again, it's the moment we have all been waiting for. Time to demold. Let's see what we have got. First, the medium mold in red. Wow, look at that. I think a darker background really makes it pop. Let me use this black sheet. Now it looks so much better. The silver paste settled beautifully along the edge and formed a soft glowing frame. And as you can see, delicate traces of it drifted inward with the red ink, creating those radiant ray-like lines toward the center. Simple but truly elegant, right? Now the small blue one, same technique, same paste, just a smaller mold. The pattern is still there, but in this calm, balanced shade of blue, with shimmering silver rays running through it. So pretty. But there is an important point. I made 2 more samples in the same mold size using golden paste. Let me show you. Both with the same technique, but in one I use less golden paste. So as you can see, it had the space to flow and form those beautiful ray lines again. But in another one, I added a bit more golden paste. And because there wasn't enough room to move, some parts sank and created this cute bulbs-like effect. That's why I always say your mold size and shape and the amount of pigment you use can completely change how your piece turns out. So for deeper tones, add a little more ink, and for stronger rays or those bulbs effects, just a touch more paste does the trick. But honestly, they all turn out stunning in their own way. And imagine a whole rainbow set like this. It would look absolutely gorgeous. Every pour tells a story, shining with shimmering rays and vibrant colors. Each piece carries its own rhythm, each ray echoing nature, captured forever in resin. Okay, my friends, resin always hides a little magic, and the best part is uncovering it together. If you enjoyed this video, I would love your support. Give it a like, consider subscribing, and leave me your questions, suggestions, and recommendations in the comments. You will find a free PDF guide and related videos in the description box, so don't miss them. Let's keep discovering resin secrets one layer at a time. See you in the next video.